Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm sharing a video that puts 3 DIYs into one. So I have 3 DIYs that I've used to create one centerpiece. And if you're interested in seeing how I put it all together, then please keep watching. So for this first DIY, I got a glass vase from the Goodwill. It was already painted yellow and it also had some Mod Podge of roses on it. I'm using this technique that I've seen all over YouTube. I'm sure many of you are familiar with it. It's where you make faux ceramic or faux clay looking vases or canisters or jars. You mix paint with baking soda to create a lot of texture, and then once everything dries, it kind of looks like the vase was made out of clay. So I started out using primer just to hide all the yellow. And once I got all that covered, I mixed this chalk paint in the color sheepskin with some baking soda, and I think I made it a little bit too thick, but in the end it actually looked pretty good. And I really like the coverage. I like how it all came out. It looks so much like clay that I've had to try this on some other things that I got from the Goodwill that same day. So if you visit my channel again, you'll see another video coming out where I did the same technique on some other jars for my other fall decor. For this second DIY, I got these branches from outside just scattered around the yard, and there were 2 pieces, and I pulled them apart and then I situated them the way I thought they would look best, and I'm just going to tape it around just to hold it together, and then I'll sit this inside the jar that I just painted, and I'll hold it in place with several rocks. And what I wanted to do was create fake budding on this limb, so I got this hydrangea from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just using the petals here. I want them to be a little bit smaller, so I'm just going to fold the petals in. And cut around to make them a little bit smaller. And then I'll glue them together. And attach them to various areas of the branches. I think I used half of one of the bunches. So this is DIY number 2. For the third DIY, I'm using this seagrass that I purchased from Amazon, and I'll link it below in case you're interested. And I had a lot left over from a previous project, which I will also link below in case you want to see what I did with that. I had all this left over. I'm gonna create maybe a pumpkin or some other kind of little fall themed items to go along with this. I wanted to create a little placemat to go under the little vase and the tree branches. So I'm just cutting out this circle using a plate as a stencil. And then I'll start wrapping the seagrass around itself and glue it in place, and then I'll put that right into the center of that cardboard and then continue to wrap around the seagrass, gluing it down to the cardboard as I go. And I'm just continuing with this process until I get to the outside of the circle. I didn't place this completely in the center, but I'm just going to keep going until I get to the edge of the cardboard, and then I'll cut off the excess. And then I'll just take an extra piece of the seagrass, wrap it around the border so you can't see the edge of the cardboard. This is how it's looking. And here's the end result. The DIYs came together to create this centerpiece here that's on my dining room table. I'm bringing the outside in for my fall decor. I have some rocks in some places. I'm using these sticks, and I'm also using some sticks and earth tones on my mantle. That video is coming out soon, so please look out for that. And I hope this has given you some inspiration for something that you can make. If you like this video, I hope you can give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.